Am I audible?
Yes.
Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Dynamic response of first order systems in series.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So let's start with our okay. So till date, what we have studied is about the dynamic response in its first order system we had started, and the first step is to derive the transfer function for the system, which is nothing but the relationship between okay. So we have identified that the transfer function, which is nothing but with the help of the Laplace transform, is the ratio of output deviation variable to the Laplace of input deviation variable. And then we will import the changes, which is called as forcing functions, into the input. And then we have identified the profiles of output, that is what we call the output, and that output is a function of time you got, and you have plotted the graph that is at various time how that output will behave. So first order system was the just like example of single tank CSTR, the thermometer itself. Now we are considering that in the chemical engineering plant, chemical processing plant, there are the situations in which the most of the times the systems, the first order systems are arranged in a series. So what will happen with the series? Let's see. So there are two situations you observed, or the tanks are arranged into two fashions, or the two first order systems are arranged into two fashions. One is called as interacting, one is called as non-interacting, and other is called as interacting. Okay, so interacting and non-interacting, as shown in the figure, are are nothing but so. So these are the nothing but two systems. You observe that one is called as the interacting and another one is called as non-interacting. This is non-interacting. and this one is the interactive. Okay, so interacting, what is the difference between these two? These two, it represents that this Q1 will not change if there's a change in H2 occur. Okay, so it is something like that. Q1 is entering into the tank 1 and Q is entering into the tank 1, that is the flow rate, and Q1 is going out of this particular tank, but before entering into the tank 1 it is released into the environment, and then it go into the tank 2. So this particular rearrangement, if you observe that its a reference point or at different level represent that any change in H2, any change in H2 will not change the value or the flow rate Q1. Okay. On the other hand, this arrangement represent that they are on the same platform. Any change in H2 will change Q1. They are interacting each other. Okay. Or ultimately we can say that Q1 is depend on H1 and H2. Or difference between H1 and H2. Okay, so this is called as non-interacting one and this is called as interacting. Fine. The difference between these two. Okay, so based on that things, our aim was to derive the expression for the transfer function first for non-interacting and interacting. So what is the output deviation variable is Q2. Sorry, it should be Q. It should be QS, or it may be Q2 or it may be H2. It depends. Or so we have derived. So based on that things, we have identified its transfer function. See here, for the non-interacting one, we had, is this visible?
Yes.
Okay, so M was Q2 by Q. So very simple way, the tank one transfer function we had derived. Okay, so tank one transfer function is G1 we have represented, and it is Q1 by Q, as Q1 is output and Q is a input to the tank one. So Q1 by Q is equal to 1 upon tau 1 S. What is tau 1 S? Tau 1 S is nothing but the A1 into R1. A1 into R1. See here, A1 into R1. Okay, so this A1 into R1. Agree? Now for the tank 2, it is Q2 is output and Q1 is input. So Q2 by Q1 is again 1 upon tau 2 S plus 1. And what is tau 2? Tau 2 is nothing but A1, A2 and R2. Okay, this one, A1 and R2. Now the concept is that my aim is to develop the expression for Q2 by Q1. Q2 by Q1. So what I will do, I will arrange it in this fashion. This will give us my GS overall. Okay, this is my GS overall. So GS overall is nothing but if you observe that the multiplication of individual transfer function I will arrange, then I will get Q2 by Q, the overall transfer function. The overall transfer function is simply, it is multiplication of G1 and G2, that is the individual transfer function. So it will like 1 upon tau 1 S plus 1 into tau 2s plus 1. Okay, so further, if I would, I don't want Q2, instead of Q2, I want H2. So what is the very simple explanation is replace Q2 by H2. Okay, so I have the equation of a linear relationship. So what I will do, I will replace Q2 by H. So I will get this expression. Okay, instead of R1, there will be R2 only. Tau 1s plus 1, tau 2s plus 1. Okay, this expression is called as overall transfer function. This expression is called as overall transfer function of when two tanks are in connected in non-interacting fashion. Okay, we have already discussed this thing. Now the concept is that what will the further step? Further step is to input, to substitute, to subject input change in the system. Say consider a unit step change. Okay, we are just comparing what will happen if we impart a system, impart a subject step input into the system. What will happen? This is a short example. So with this particular example, you observe that when there was a one tank, so dash line was something behavior will be like this. But when the two tanks are come into the picture and they are arranged into the series in the non-interacting fashion, the continuous line is always below the this one tank response. It represents that the two tank systems make the system more sluggish. Make the system more sluggish. It is slower than that of the tank one response. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
ये सिंपल थिंग है कि जितने टैंक आप लगाओगे तो उतना ही टाइम आपको आउटपुट में चेंज मिलेगा, उतने ही लेट आपको आउटपुट में चेंज मिलेगा. ओके, एंड सिस्टम बिकम्स मोर स्लो. ठीक है, तो ये हम स्टडी क्यों कर रहे हैं कि हमें देखना है कि भाई अल्टीमेटली हम कंट्रोलर सिस्टम में क्या स्टडी करते हैं कि जो कंट्रोल वेरिएबल है वो चेंज कब लाता है, जब चेंज आता है. तो हमें वो उसको काउंटर अटैक करना है कि उतना चेंज, उतना टाइम उसने नहीं लगाना चाहिए, है ना. अगर मोर सेंसिटिव अगर हमें कंट्रोलर सिस्टम बनाना है किसी चीज का, तो ऐसा नहीं है ना, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कीबोर्ड जैसे हम क्लिक कर रहे हैं जब टाइपिंग करते हैं, तो अगर वो लेट डिस्प्ले करता है टेक्स्ट हमारा डेस्कटॉप पे या स्क्रीन पे, मॉनिटर पे, तो वी कैन से दैट कि देयर इज समथिंग प्रॉब्लम इन कंट्रोल सिस्टम, है ना. तो हमें क्या चाहते हैं कि ऑन ऑन रियल टाइम में वो टेक्स्ट टाइप हो जाए. जैसे ही मैं ए प्रेस कर रहा हूँ तो वहां ए दिखना चाहिए, है ना. लाइकवाइज तो मोर सेंसिटिव हमें बनाना है, ना कि हमें उसको study this particular study helps in that particular designing of the control system, how to make it more sensitive and what particular counteractions are required to avoid the accidents. Okay, so this was the response. What will happen if we arrange a same tanks into the series with the n number of non-interacting fashion? Okay, n number of tanks in the series. What will happen in the non-interacting one? So you observe that this is the block itself represent. These are the square brackets. Okay, these are nothing but the representation of the transformation of individual tanks, which are n in numbers. Okay, so x0, this is x. Okay, x0 is the input to the first tank, while the xn is the output from the last tank, that is nth tank. Okay, so individual transfer function we can replace by this transfer individual physical tank, liquid level tank, we can replace by the its own transfer function. And we can replace it because transfer function is nothing but output upon input. So in terms of deviation variable, Laplace of deviation variable. So x0 is Laplace of deviation variable. Okay, see here the very first transfer function of the tank one is x1 by x0. x1 is the Laplace transform of deviation variable of input variable. Okay, for the tank one, while the x0 is the this is output, this is the input x0. x0 is the or O, we can say that it is a input. Okay, it is a Laplace transform of deviation variable of output from tank 1. Okay, sorry, it is tank input and this is output. Okay, this is 0. We will not say it as a O, it is 0. Okay, similarly for individual tank 2, tank 3, tank 4, if you calculate, so you observe that K1 by tau 1 s plus 1, K2 by tau 2 s plus 1, the format will be the same. Okay, the universal equations which we have derived, it is a 1 upon 1 plus tau s will be the fraction. So till x series, you observe that the format is same, but what will be the overall if I would like to develop the expression of the output of the nth tank to the input of the first tank. So xn will be the output, x0 will be the input. Okay, what will be its? It is nothing but the for the two tank, it was the product of individual two tanks. Similarly, for the n tank, it will be the product of all n tank transfer function. All the transfer function, product of all the transfer functions. Okay, सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन रहेगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल ट्रांसफर फंक्शंस विल बी देयर ओवरऑल. तो यहाँ हर एक बार आपको ड्राइव करने की जरूरत नहीं. देखो कुछ चीजें हैं आपको अब याद रखना है. जैसे क्या है कि फर्स्ट ऑर्डर सिस्टम है, तो उसका यू कैन डायरेक्टली यूज इक्वेशन 1 upon 1 plus tau s. ठीक है, इफ इट इज 1 upon 1 plus tau s है तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली कह सकते हो कि ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर सिस्टम है. ठीक है, नॉन इंटरएक्टिंग टैंक के लिए अगर आपको ओवरऑल ट्रांसफर फंक्शन आइडेंटिफाई करना है, तो अनलेस एंड अनटिल अगर वहां पूछा गया नहीं है क्वेश्चन में कि डिराइव द ट्रांसफर फंक्शन, otherwise in the numerical you can directly use the equation product of individual transfer function. Are you getting my point? समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज the little calculation, a little again further explanation of this thing is the effect of this particular non-interacting fashion on the system is if you observe that n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 represent the number of tanks arranged in the series. If n is equal to 1, what will be the behavior of the output, that is the y with respect to time. If you observe that if we further increasing more and more tanks in series, the response become more and more sluggish. Okay, तो ट्रांसफर लैग आ जाता है. ठीक है, जितने टैंक्स हम, दिस इज वेरी जनरल ऑब्जर्वेशंस वी हैव. Okay, but we can prove it with the help of this particular formula. Ut is equal to Ut 1 upon tau s plus 1 raised to the power n y, and that n will decide कि वो टैंक कितने हैं एंड हाउ what the time required for the response. ठीक है, तो ग्राफ विल बी लाइक दिस. इट इज अ एस शेप. देखो n जो है ना, n is equal to 1, वो एस शेप नहीं है, इट इज डोम टाइप ऑफ थिंग. ओके, बट n2 n3 n4 आर समथिंग लाइक एस शेप. इसको हम कहते हैं एस शेप एंड इट इज स्लगिश. ओके, कंपैरेटिवली इफ यू प्लॉट इट. ठीक है, फर्दर इसी कंसेप्ट में एक वन मोर टर्मिनोलॉजी इज देयर, इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लैग. इसको डेड टाइम भी कहा जाता है, डिस्टेंस वेलोसिटी लैग भी कहा जाता है और प्योर डिले भी कहा जाता है. तो जैसे हमने देखा है कि जब टैंक सीरीज में अरेंज होते हैं फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, तो दे देयर रिस्पॉन्सेस आर मोर एंड मोर स्लगिश. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ टैंक्स आर कनेक्टिंग are in connections. So one more terminology is called transportation lag. Transportation lag उससे अलग है. Okay, it is different. It is a very different and thing is that because यहाँ कोई सीरीज नहीं है. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लैग एंड डेट टाइम कब डिफाइन किया जाता है? जब 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 ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लैग कब डिफाइन किया जाता है? Is this visible? Transportation lag.
Yes, sir.
तो ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लैग क्या है? दिस इज नॉट द सीरीज, इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ insulated pipe. Okay, let me explain it first. It is an insulated pipe in which a temperature T in of any liquid is, or the liquid is with the temperature T in is entering into the pipe. Okay, it is well insulated, and T out will be the outlet temperature. It may be a T in is equal to T out, or it may be different. Okay, because of the some losses may occur. Okay, UAV is the average velocity of this thing. ठीक है. If what happened in this graph, see this graph represent that at time t is equal to 0, if the temperature T in following the curve A, अगर इस तरीके से वो बिहेव कर रहा है या इस तरीके से उसमें चेंज आया है, what will happen to the output T out? T out will remain T in or T out itself up till जब तक ये पहुंचता नहीं है. ठीक है, ये यहाँ तक ऐसे ऐसे टर्न हो रहा है, और यहाँ जब पॉइंट रहेगा देन इट विल रीच ओवर हियर. Okay, and then the T out will behave like curve B. Okay, so this time period it will required to reach, that is the change. This much time is called as transportation lag. Okay, after that change, only the change you will observe into the output. After that change, after that time, that change you will observe into the output. इसको कहा जाता है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन lag. इसको कहा जाता है प्योरिटी lag. इसको कहा जाता है डेड टाइम. ठीक है, जब तक आउटपुट आप सेंस नहीं करोगे उसके बाद ही आप काउंटर उस पर फीडबैक कंट्रोल सिस्टम है आपके पास, तो उसके बाद ही आप काउंटर अटैक करोगे उस पर कि व्हाट पर्टिकुलर प्रोपोर्शनल एक्शन इज रिक्वायर्ड, है ना? आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो ये सिचुएशन कब आता है? ये सिचुएशन कब आता है? जब आपके पास कंट्रोल सिस्टम है, कंट्रोलर, कंट्रोल वाल्व, एडिशन, प्रोसेस, सेंसर, सेट पॉइंट. ओके, तो ये जो कंपोनेंट्स हमारे क्लोज लूप सिस्टम के डिस्टर्बेंस है ना? तो ये जो डिस्टर्बेंसेस है, तो ये जो है ना, क्या होता है कि फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, यहाँ कुछ बाय द मीन्स ऑफ समथिंग, दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन विल गो, it will move from one point to other point. It may be by the means of electronic devices. Electronic means it may be in the signals will transfer from one point to another point in the pneumatic format or hydraulic format. ठीक है, सिग्नल्स हम जो करंट यहाँ से हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं तब जाके बल्ब लगता है, तब जाके फैन स्टार्ट होता है, इट विल स्टार्ट मूविंग, ओके, रोटेटिंग. सो इसका मतलब क्या है? हम सिग्नल दे रहे हैं इसको. तो जो वायर्स है, वायर्स इटसेल्फ बिहेविंग लाइक अ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लाइन. दैट वायर्स आल्सो कैरी सम रेजिस्टेंस. इट विल नेवर गिव यू द सडन रिस्पांस, है ना? इमीडिएट रिस्पांस मिलेगा क्या आपको? नहीं. देयर इज सम गैप, there is some fraction of seconds is required to reach the signal from one point to up to the motor of the fan, है ना? So the thing is that उसको कहते हैं हम transportation time. During the transportation, whatever the delay it will take or time it will take, that is called as transportation time. Are you getting my point? Students, is this okay? Hmm? ठीक है, ओके, आई एम मूविंग फर्दर नाउ। तो ये जो वायर का डिले होता है, इट इज वी विल डिस्कस इनटू द एग्जांपल्स दैट कि वो उसको कैसे कंसीडर किया जाता है। ओके, सो उसका भी ट्रांसफर फंक्शन निकालना, इट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट इन द सिस्टम। Shreyas, what do you want to explain again? What do you want? Shreyas, क्या चाहिए? बोलिए। Unmute your mic and ask what do you want to ask.
Sir, can you please explain it again in this slide?
Which one? This one? Pure delay?
Yeah,
This is
this
something like
graph.
that. ग्राफ ना, अरे ग्राफ देखिए क्या होता है, ये पाइप में जब यहाँ टेम्परेचर चेंज होगा टी टी इन में, मान लीजिए कर्व ए को फॉलो कर रहा है, यानी क्या है, ये टेम्परेचर है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, ये बढ़ते जा रहा है इन द नॉन लीनियर फैशन, इस फैशन में बढ़ते जा रहा है। ठीक है, तो टी इन जब यहाँ चेंज होगा तो टी आउट सडन दिखाएगा कि चेंज यहाँ? नहीं, it has, and to the change from this point to this point, it will take some time, है ना? That time is called as pure delay. उसको क्या कहते हैं हम? Pure delay, and that time is nothing but this time. At time t is equal to 0, this has been changed, but at this moment, that t out will not show the change which has been occurred already. वो कब दिखाएगा? When the output, when the input will reach up to here, वो यहां तक पहुंच चुका है, तब जाकर ये यहां दिखाएगा। ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? ये चेंज यहाँ चेंज हो चुका है, ये चेंज यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ जाएगा, और देन इट विल शो दैट चेंज। जब ये चेंज इनिशियल टाइम t इक्वल टू 0 दिखाएगा, तब tn कहीं का कहीं चले जाएगा, tn यहाँ होगा, tn, मगर ये वाला चेंज यहाँ अभी दिखाएगा, ये है ना? इसको कहते हैं हम प्योर डिले। श्रेयस, इज दिस ओके?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ टाइम लगता ही है ना उसको पहुंचने में, आउटपुट में। ठीक है, लाइकवाइज, तो अब इसका ट्रांसफर फंक्शन आउटपुट और इनपुट में इन जनरल कैसे होता है? सी, tau d is equal to volume of the pipe upon volumetric flow rate is equal to, this is the general formula. So t out is equal to t in t minus tau d will be the balance of this particular value of temperature. This is the we are just like dynamic error हमने इक्वेट किया था। Okay, same thing is here. The t out, value of t out is equal to temperature in, but when it was at the pitch, it is t minus tau d. Okay, this is tau d. ठीक है, ये कब रहेगा? टी आउट कब अचीव करेगा टी इन की वैल्यू? पहले जब टी टेकिंग द लाप्लास एंड द आउटपुट by taking the Laplace to t out by t in is equal to e raised to power minus tau s will be its transfer function. ओके, तो इसको हम शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी कहते हैं ट्रांसफर फंक्शन। If the function it is in this format, output is input into t minus tau d. This is a time function. Okay, then we can replace it by e raised to power minus tau d s, and my Laplace transform is t out upon t in is equal to e raised to power minus tau d s. तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर करते हैं फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अदर पॉइंट। ये किसके लिए एप्लीकेबल रहेगा? ये रहेगा एप्लीकेबल फॉर द न्यूमेटिक सिग्नल्स, ठीक है ना, सिग्नल्स फ्रॉम माय थ्रू मसल्स, ओके। और उसका ट्रांसफर फंक्शन इज नथिंग बट e माइनस टाउ ds। मेरे आर्म का अलग रहेगा, मेरे ब्रेन का ट्रांसफर फंक्शन अलग रहेगा, एंड द कनेक्शन लाइन इज माय मसल, ओके। तो उसका एक ट्रांसफर फंक्शन अलग रहेगा, एंड टू कंपोनेंट्स हैं हमारे पास, ओके। इनको कनेक्ट करने के लिए हम कुछ मीन्स यूज करते हैं। बाय मीन्स इट इज ट्रांसफरिंग, एक्सचेंजिंग देयर इंफॉर्मेशंस, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रिंग और द कनेक्शन itself has its delay, and that delay is nothing but pure delay. Are you getting my point? ठीक है, जैसे दो टैंक है, सीएसटीआर बोले या दो स्टोरेज टैंक्स है, वन इज हॉट एंड वन इज कोल्ड। तो ये पाइप जो है, जो डायग्राम में आपको दिख रहा है अभी नाउ ऑन द स्लाइड, इफ आई हैव कनेक्टेड in between these two, so the change in the temperature T in from the tank 1 will enter into the tank 2, but it will take some time, and nothing but that particular itself, that uska jo pipe ka transfer function rahega, it is nothing but pure delay type. Are you getting my point? Is this okay? Students, is this okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now further.
So,
Now,
hello.
bolo.
So, how
Yes,
did we
yes.
get that e to the power minus tau ds term?
Yes, this is the property of transfer function. When tau output is equal to input into t minus tau d, that is the time function.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
इसको कहते हैं हम शिफ्ट फंक्शन कहते हैं, इसको कहते हैं शिफ्ट फंक्शन, लाप्लास का शिफ्ट फंक्शन। जैसे प्रॉपर्टीज होते हैं ना, शिफ्ट प्रॉपर्टीज,
Mm-hmm.
है ना, शिफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन वगैरह हम करते हैं, ओके।
Yes, sir.
तो लाइकवाइज दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी। जैसे हमने इंटीग्रल प्रॉपर्टी देखी है, इसकी भी है, काफी इंडिविजुअल प्रॉपर्टीज होती है इसकी, ओके। तो हम डिराइव भी कर सकते हैं, बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग इनटू द डेरिवेशंस बिकॉज़ वी आर जस्ट अप्लाइंग द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर लाप्लास मैथमेटिकल टूल,
Okay, sir.
ओके। तो उसको शिफ्ट प्रॉपर्टी कहते हैं, एंड इट्स ट्रांसफर फंक्शन और इट इज इट्स लाप्लास इज e raised to power minus tau ds, okay। So we are not going into back in that, but it is just the information we are importing from the Laplace chapter. So now the next is response of two interacting tanks connected in series. Is this visible? Response of two interacting tanks connected in series, okay. Now see here, as I have explained that this Q1 is depend on now the level of H1 and H2. Okay, in general, this Q1, but in the non-interacting, it was not like that. Q1 was independent of each of H2. ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या हो रहा है? आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डेरिवेशन, आई एम गिविंग यू द फाइनल फॉर्म कि हमें कैसे स्टार्ट करना है. Ultimately, my aim is to develop the expression for the transfer function which will correlate Q2 or H2 with Q. What is my output? Q2 or H2 with Q. Okay, so H2 by Q मुझे identify करना है. So what will the expressions which we will start with my derivations for the derivation is balance, mass balance of tank 1, mass balance of tank 2, flow head relationship is a linear relationship. Little twist, remember Q1 is the difference of H1 and H2 upon R1. Q2 क्या है sir? Q2 is nothing but H2 by R2. Okay. These are the four equations. These are the four equations I have to use. ठीक है, so यहाँ I have 5 unknowns Q, Q1, Q2, H1 and H2. How many unknowns are? Q, Q1, Q2, 3, H1 and H2. ठीक है, 5 unknowns और इसमें से हमें 3 को रिप्लेस करना है और रखने कौन से हैं? हमें H2 और Q। हमें कौन से रखने हैं? H2 और Q रखने हैं, H2 और Q। ठीक है, रिप्लेस क्या क्या करना है हमें? Q1 को रिप्लेस करना है, H1 को रिप्लेस करना है एंड Q2 को रिप्लेस करना है। So by rearranging the terms, you will get H2 by Q is equal to R2 by tau 1 S, tau 1 tau 2 S square plus tau 1 plus tau 2 plus A1 R2 S plus 1. Students, now remember what was my non-interacting equation? What was my non-interacting equation? Non-interacting का equation क्या था? Non-interacting का equation क्या था? Correct, correct. Non-interacting का equation था मेरा C in terms of Q2 S by Q1 S. It was 1 upon tau 1 S plus 1 into tau 2 S plus 1 और H2 अगर मैं लेता हूँ H2 by it should be Q, not Q1, QS, which is equal to R2 by tau 1 S plus 1 tau 2 S plus 1. Okay, this one was for. Now further for interacting, I got for interacting, see here the equation for the interacting R2 upon tau 1 tau 2. Okay, so here Q2S by QS is equal to, in terms of flow rate, okay, tau 1 tau 2 S square plus tau 1 plus tau 2 plus A1 R2, remember, into S plus 1. और when H2S by Q consider करता हूँ मैं, तो here will be R2 will be there and whole term will come here. Now just compare these things. Compare these equations. You observe that ऊपर का भी जो नॉन इंटरेक्टिंग है मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो दिस विल बी द क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ S. Below will also it will the quadratic equations in terms of S. But in the one, there is a one more terminal term arises. It is A1 R2, the cross multiplication. A1 into R2. Okay, so these equations are different for interacting and non-interacting. Okay, they are combinations because of the Q1, which is depend on the H2 value in the interacting one, and these particular equations gives us the information that they will behave differently. They will behave differently, non-interacting or interacting. this equation itself represent that Q2 will behave differently or H2 will behave differently in interacting as well as in the non-interacting. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Anything else
Yes, sir.
would you like to ask? हाँ बोलो. ओके हाँ बोलिए बोलिए अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो. तो कंसेप्ट इज दैट हमने जो भी मैथमेटिकल रिलेशन कोरिलेशन हमें देखे हैं, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम नॉन इंटरैक्टिंग को इंटरैक्टिंग के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, जैसे पहले सिंगल टैंक से हमने डबल टैंक में कंपेयर किया. व्हाट वी आर कंपेयरिंग नॉन इंटरैक्टिंग विद interacting. So non-interacting is a simple multiplication of two individual transfer functions. So it will be the overall transfer function. But in this case, this is not the case like the non-interacting one. It is very different. It is tau 1 tau 2 s square plus tau 1 plus tau 2 plus a1 r2 s plus 1. But remember, both in the denominator, I'm talking about in the denominator, both are quadratic expression in terms of s. But they are different. Are you getting my point? So let's see the effect of interaction on transient response of the system. Okay, so effect of see here. देखो, now consider two non-interacting tanks, okay, with same tau. Tau क्या है उसका same है. Okay, तो आपको बस इक्वेशंस याद रखना है. What was Q2 by S? Q2 by Q, it is 1 upon tau S plus 1. For the non-interacting one I am talking about, because individual transfer functions are 1 upon tau 1 S plus 1 plus into 1 upon tau 2 S plus 1. अब tau 1 is equal to tau 2 है, तो it will be like a whole bracket 1 upon tau S plus 1. ये इक्वेशन समझ में आ गया? For non-interacting I am talking about. यहां तक समझा है? Please respond. ठीक है. Now for the unit step change, if अगर मैं Q में unit step change लाता हूं, Q is equal to 1, so QS is equal to 1 upon S, and by taking inverse Laplace, the equations will be like this: 1 minus e raised to power minus t by tau minus t by tau e raised to power minus t by tau. Okay, this is up to you. You derive it. Remember, Q में मैंने unit step change लाया है, and Q2 you will get in this fashion. Okay, now next is, let's say ये हो गया मेरा नॉन इंटरैक्टिंग फैशन का Q2 का इक्वेशन. रिमेंबर, Q2 का इक्वेशन आपको याद रखना है 1 minus e raised to power minus t by tau minus t by tau e raised to power minus t by tau. You note down this. Okay, now for the next, this is non-interacting. Now we'll go for the interacting. If the tanks are interacting in fashion, and consider A1 is equal to A2, area are same, what will happen? Q2 by Q. What was the equation? My equation was, initially it was tau 1 tau 2 S square plus tau 1 plus tau 2 plus A1 R2 S plus 1. That was my equation. Aishwarya, anything would you like to ask?
No, sir, by mistake it was.
Okay, so the tank 2 is interacting one, case 2 is interacting one, in which Q2 by Q you will get in this fashion. Is this okay with this equation? Because in the denominator it was, for the interacting system I am talking about, it was tau 1 S square, tau 1 tau 2 S square. Okay, tau 1 tau 2 S square, tau 1 plus tau 2 plus A1 R2. अब हमने A1 is equal to R2, A1 is equal to A2 कर दिया है, और tau 1 is equal to tau 2 कर दिया है, तो ये क्या, tau स्क्वायर हो गया. tau 1 is equal to tau 2 है तो tau स्क्वायर हो गया, प्लस ये tau प्लस tau प्लस इसको मैं मान लिया a1 को मैं a2 कर देता हूं, तो a2 इंटू r2 विल बी टाउ 2, तो 3 टाउ आ गए साथ में, तो 3s है ना, 3 टाउ s plus 1. Is this okay? That's why the equation, this equation will be there. Are you getting my point? Okay. Further, I will introduce a step change. Okay. और before that, I will rearrange Q2 in this fashion. ठीक है, मेरा Q2 हमने ये निकाला है, देखिए लास्ट इक्वेशन. ओके, अब इसको मैं करता हूं 2 सेपरेट ब्रैकेट्स में कन्वर्ट. तो you will observe that Q2 by Q is equal to 1 upon 0.38 tau plus s 0.38 tau s plus 1 into 2 minus 2.62 tau s plus 1. देखिए, I am just reading it because this need the observation are we need to extract it out of this particular explanation. Okay, now what the same magnitude, same unit step change I am subjecting in the system of the interacting one. So what will happen? Okay, the response of Q2 to Q2t to unit step change in Q is equal to 1. So Q2 expression is 1 plus 0.17 and so on. See here, this equation is the equation of Q2 when the input is subjected to the unit step change and the system is in interacting fashion. Remember this equation is different than that of the non-interacting system when subjected to the input change of the same magnitude. See, this Q2 ka equation and this Q2 equation is different. Is this okay? This is a very visible change you observed. Are you getting my point? Students? So, what is the effect of interaction? So, out of that mathematical expressions, we have to conclude the inference that we can say that this graph, the upper line, is a non-interacting one, while in the interacting one, it is always lie below the non-interacting. So we can say that interaction again slow down the response. Interaction again slow down the response. The interacting system is more sluggish than the non-interacting system. Okay, when we have a non-interacting system, the system will, we can replace it by this particular block diagram, and when the system is in interacting fashion, then two systems we can replace in this fashion. Another one observation is that this tau of individual system remain same in the non-interacting system, but in the interacting system, the effective time constant of individual tanks have been changed. One is smaller, one is greater than the actual, it's a real time constant. This is the observation. Effective time constant change होता है. क्या होता है? Effective time constant change होता है in the interacting one, but in the non-interacting, it will unhampered. It will remain as it is. Tau का tau है. देखो हमने इक्वेशंस में दिखा है, यहाँ tau का tau दिखा है, but यहाँ effective time constant के आगे कोएफिशिएंट आ गया. That means the effective time constant has been changed. One is smaller, one is greater. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Okay, so what is the inference of this? Interaction slows up the response. Very first thing is that interaction changes the ratio of effective time constant. One is smaller, one is larger. Okay, if same change step change is introduced, non-interacting Q1 will not be reduced by the increase in the tank 2. Now imagine the non-interacting system. Non-interacting में क्या होता है? Q1 will not change, but in the interacting Q1 will be reduced by the buildup of level in the tank 2. H2 बढ़ता जाएगा तो Q1 reduce होगा. Okay. At any time Q1 for the interacting will be less than for the non-interacting. Q1 क्या है? Q1 is the flow between connecting H1 and H2. So Q1 is always less than in the interacting as compared to the non-interacting one. Last is interacting system is more sluggish than the non-interacting system. Next क्या है? Overall effect क्या है इसका? Overall effect ये है कि interacting system is more slower than that of the interacting system. Okay, fine. Is this okay, students? I would like to announce one more thing. Okay, before that, this was the question from examination. डायग्राम देखिए डायरेक्ट, इसमें इनकमिंग Q एंड Q1 है. डायग्राम देखिए, पहले टैंक में अपर टैंक में क्या है? Q1 is incoming, Q and Q1 are incoming. Outgoing is QR associated with resistance R1. Okay, QR is spilling into the tank 2, that is lower tank. Along with that, Q2 is also entering into the tank. Okay, and at the outlet Q0 is going and associated with the resistance R2. तो हमें क्या करना है? हमें क्या करना है? Determine the operational equation for the overall system relating Q, Q1, Q2, Q, Q1, Q2, and Q0 and Q0. Are you getting my point? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is this visible? This slide?
Yes, sir. Yes.
ओके, तो ये क्वेश्चन था. हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है? हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि हाउ दैट Q0 विल चेंज बाय व्हाट आर द एंट्रीज Q, Q1 एंड Q2 के कारण. ठीक है, देखो एट द एंड Q0 is a function of Q, Q1 and Q2. Q0 is a function of Q, Q1 and Q2. Is this okay? तो how you will start? Upper tank का balance लो, Q plus Q1, Q plus Q1 plus minus QR is outgoing, minus QR is equal to accumulation. Lower tank का balance लो, what is the incomings? QR and Q2 are incomings, QR plus Q2. What is ongoing? It is a Q0 is equal to accumulation. Further, I have a linear relationship QR with H1 and Q0 with H2. Okay, so 1 and 2, if we replace dH1 by dt by the flow rates, so equation 3 and 4 you will get. Further is define deviation variable and Laplace, taking Laplace transform. So unsteady state हो गया, go for steady state and define deviation variable and replace QR. QR किस इक्वेशन में आ रहा है? देखो दोनों इसमें QR आ रहा है, दोनों में से एक में से QR is equal to लो और उस QR को यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करो इन वन इक्वेशन. ओके, QR यहाँ से निकालिए और यहाँ में सब्स्टिट्यूट कीजिए, यहाँ से निकालिए, यहाँ से सब्स्टिट्यूट कीजिए, तो यू विल गेट Q0. अल्टीमेटली हमें QR को रिप्लेस करना है, तो Q0 if you rearrange and this is the final example, final solution of my question. Okay, is this okay? Okay, now I would like to announce there will be a test tomorrow. Remember, I'm going